Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so unbelievably excited to bring you today's video because it is not another makeup video, it is not a skincare video, it is a giveaway. I have teamed up with Yari G and Glam with Suzan. I love both of them. We are actually really close. We talk all the time off of YouTube, off of social media. Yesterday, I was supposed to be doing work and I spent 2 hours on the phone with Yari. This is just a real friendship, and I adore the two of them. And when the three of us were talking, we basically decided that there is so much crap going on in the world right now that we wanted to pay it forward a little bit. So we are organizing, teaming up, and collaborating on a huge giveaway, 6 winners, Instagram and YouTube. And this video is going to be all about that, all about how to enter the giveaways, and all of the information on how you can get your hands on one of the massive prize packs. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do upload 3 times a week, and subscribing is going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. And if you want to see what's in my prize packs, how to enter all 6 giveaways, stay tuned. So I did already show you guys their pictures, but I am going to link down below their Instagrams, my Instagram, their YouTube channels, because today it is Wednesday. Well, I'm filming this on Saturday, but when you guys see this, it's Wednesday, April 22nd. And this giveaway is going to run for 4 weeks. You have a chance to win 6 different prize bundles. Yes, you can enter all of them, and we actually encourage you to. So before I go into what's in my prize packs, because I do have them right here, I literally cut the top off of BoxyCharm boxes, and I use them to organize my prizes. Anyway, before I get into what's in the prizes, I'm going to tell you guys how to enter. So for all 3 YouTube giveaways, you need to follow the channel, like the video, and comment in the description box or down below with, honestly, you can comment anything, tag a friend, share it, tell me your favorite makeup item, tell me what prize you like, it doesn't matter. As long as you comment, I will be able to verify that you commented, and that's how you enter the giveaway. That is going to be the same on all 3 of our YouTube channels. Please make sure to go and follow them as well, because show the love. Tell them, go to their comments on their videos, tell them I sent you, because I really want to just share the wealth. Anyway, if you want to enter the Instagram giveaways, those are going to be a little bit different. You have to like the picture for the giveaway and comment down below, and then follow all 3 accounts. You can enter just one if you want to, but if I go in and I pick a winner and you're not following Suzan or you're not following Jari, unfortunately you've been disqualified. So make sure that you are following all 3 of our Instagrams, and then like and comment on each of the giveaway posts. I mean, why wouldn't you enter their giveaways too? You can win. There are 6 prizes to be won, let's be real. So I think I've rambled on enough. The only other things you need to know, all the info and rules of the giveaway are going to be down below. This is not a sponsored anything with any of the brands involved. This is just us trying to bring you guys some fun products. That being said, nothing is going to be shipped out until the stay-in-place quarantine has ended. So we did do polls on Instagram and YouTube about if you guys were okay with waiting. Once we announce the winners, you guys will know you won. It might take a couple weeks for the prizes to ship out, just because in this climate, I'm not braving a trip to the post office to ship you guys something. Like, it can wait a couple weeks. I promise you will get your prizes. That being said, let's jump into my prizes. Now, I do have one for YouTube and one for Instagram. I'm still toying around with which one's going to be which, but I think we're going to do the skincare giveaway in this video and the makeup giveaway on Instagram, but I am going to show you both prizes. So I'm calling it like the self-care box, which is this one right here. Let me pull up my list because I have one of those. This is a $366 prize value. This is going to go to one lucky winner here on YouTube. And the first item is going to be the Sutra Beauty Mini Curling Iron. I gave away the one that came in my box, but I got a second box that month. So this is a mini curling wand. It is the purple one, or the lavender one. So purple curling wand. And this retails for $50. The next product is from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. This retails for $22. Next, I have a $28 assortment. This is a trio of essential oils. I have an essential oil diffuser, and I absolutely love it, but I spray a little bit of cologne or perfume in there, and I like to disperse those. I don't love using oils because I like a little bit more of like a aromatic-y scent. I find oils personally for me get a little heavy, but if you love diffusing essential oils, this is going to be perfect for you. I have a PMD facial cleanser. This was another box that I got like 4 of, and I already had the cleanser, so I'm sitting on like 3 of these. So I am going to be giving away one of these. This retails for $99. From the Lax BoxyCharm, I do have a trio of the sheet masks, 1 of each. These are from Tony Moly. They retail for $9 for the trio. Next, I have the Laneige Moisture Mousse Moisturizer. I've been using this for a couple weeks and I absolutely love it, but I have an extra, so why not give it to you guys? This retails for $29. Next, from Murad, it is the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. I have like 3 of these. I know I've said this before, but I have a friend of mine, her name is Annie. She works with Murad and sends me Murad all the time. I love her. So when I got this in BoxyCharm, I was really excited, but I already have one and it takes me forever to go through. So I have extras on extras on extras. And I actually prefer the green one over this one. The green one is more for smoothing, whereas this one is more for hydration. So this is going to retail for $70. If you are looking for Murad products, I'm going to put a quick code on the screen. You can use this to get 20% off Murad.com. It is not a commission code for me. It is just a 20% off coupon that they gave to their employees to share the wealth. And Annie sent it to me, so I'm sharing it with you guys. Next, from Becca, this is the Skin Love. It is a glow stick for $28. Then there is the Brazilian Bum Bum Duo and the Copacabana Cream. I am dropping both of these in because I have full sizes of this one, and I don't love the smell of that one. So dropping those in for you guys. The Duo retails for $15. And the last item is from Fenty Beauty. It is the Invisimatte Blotting Paper. This retails for $16, and it is a blotting paper. So the YouTube prize is going to be all of these items, all like 15 items, 15. So this entire self-care box retails for $366, and you can win all of these products on my YouTube. If you head over to my Instagram, you're going to see a picture right here. That is going to be the post you're going to want to like, comment, and follow. Make sure you follow the girls as well. This bundle retails for $356, and this is going to be the makeup bundle. So the first product here is going to be from Fenty as well. This is the Fenty Matchstick in the shade Confetti. Super unicorny, like purpley glitter. Stunning. Retails for $25. Next is the Appeal Gel Liner. This can be used as an eye or a lip liner. This retails for $21. Then there is the Becca Gloss. This is in the shade Champagne Cream. All of these are items that I have duplicates of, and I love this gloss. You will too. It is in the same iconic champagne pop color, nice and neutral, and will work on all skin tones. This retails for $22. Next, from Iconic London, this is the Original Illuminator. Mine is up here. I love the way these work. If you guys saw my unboxing, you know I'm obsessed. That retails for $41. Next up, there is a Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Glazed. This shade was a little light for me, but I did actually play around with it a little bit more and realize if you take a nice dark liner, you can use it just to add a drop of brightness to the center of your lips. So I gave it a little bit of a tough review in my video, but I did have an extra, so I'm dropping that in. The formula is beautiful though. Also out of that video from Zoeva is the Caramel Melange Palette. This retails for $28 as well. From Benefit, we have the Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer. Smoothing and hydrating. I did use it under my makeup today. This retails for $32. Then there is the Billion Dollar Brow Best Brow Ever Kit. I actually love this little brush and the Duo Concealer in there. The brow pencil is a little bit red for me, and I've been using the clear brow gel. It stays right in front of me. I use it all the time. It has actually replaced the Anastasia as my favorite brow gel. This entire kit retails for $30. From Ciate, we have the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I've mentioned this before, my skin is very sensitive to coconut, so I got this and gave it away in my unboxing, but I did have another one, so we're dropping that in the video too. That retails for $22. From Grande Cosmetics, we have the Conditioning Peptide Mascara, which retails for $25. I just had multiple of those, and I use the lash serum every day. It's the reason my lashes have gotten as long as they have. I have no falsies on today. These are just my lashes because of Grande. Then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Setting Mist. This retails for $25. I'm sorry, This retails for $28. And the last item is the 5-piece brush set from BoxyCharm. These brushes came in a box a while back, and they retail for $65 for the set. All in all, $356 for this entire bundle. And once again, this is the bundle that's going to be on Instagram. So I hope you guys are excited for the giveaway, as I am. The girls and I, we have literally boxes of extra product, and we do get duplicates, and between Boxy sending us PR and our paid boxes and PR that comes, that we have extras, and we felt that nothing would make us happier than to share that and send it back to you guys. So once again, the giveaway rules are all going to be down below. Make sure you check out Yari and Suzan as well, because the two of them are also putting up Instagram giveaways as well as YouTube giveaways. There are 6 prizes in all. I do recommend you to enter all 6 because honestly, that would make me so happy for one of my subscribers to win all of them. So make sure to let them know in the girls' videos or on their Instagrams that I sent you. Give them some love. You will love them too, because honestly, they're both amazing. And I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay inside, and good luck. Bye.